Lesson 43, Unbound Reports Word Drills. Go ahead and open up your tasks. There are 9. I'm going to make it larger. So we're working with unbound reports. The first thing they want you to do is change the document theme. So in Design, click Themes and select Depth. The next one is another theme, so choose Design, Themes, and they want headlines. It does it for the entire document, you don't have to select it. For this, the title, it's all the same font, so select the title. Go into Styles and choose with the down arrow, More Options, Title. For the second line, which would be the subtitle, select it, Styles, More Options, Subtitle. Select Monday and use heading 1 style, and then we're going to put that for the rest of the weeks. So select Monday, double click Format Painter, and then hover and point. You don't have to drag, just point on Tuesday, Wednesday, just be careful you're on the right one, Thursday, Friday, and extracurricular activities. Key the following, and to do the door prize, it's actually no space before or after, it's 2 dashes, and when you first type them they'll be separated, but once you type the next word and press spacebar, it'll make it one solid. So go ahead and type that. The next thing is select the first footnote and click Copy, and then down in the taskbar within the Cengage, there is a second drill, so click in that one, and down on the footnote, paste, then go back to the Word document, the original one, and select the second one and copy, or Control-C, and over to the second Word document, and under number 2, paste. Delete footnote number 2, so I see footnote number 1. Scroll down till you see the 2. After gift certificate, just press backspace. And that's it. Thank you.